because language cannot contain it, or a certain sound, or what's even harder, flavors, smells, odors, for which my language at least is not rich enough. And it cannot contain everything that I would like the language to contain. So sometimes I really wish I were a musician. I could write musical notes, I could compose music and do away with language altogether.
I was just going to ask you, then you feel you should have been a composer or a musician? A composer or a performer, or both?
Anytime I'll be a composer, not a performer, but a composer, anytime.
As composers also naturally they play whatever the instrument is as well. And we've only got one instrument, and that is the word, the wonderful written word.